Hello everyone, my name is Hiroko M. Please call me Hiroko. This year, the fireworks display was held on Saturday, July 29th and Sunday, July 30th. This fireworks display is held along the coast of the river that runs through the city. The name of the river is Kano River. Numazu can be reached via the bullet train from Tokyo Station to the southwest in about 1 hour. This fireworks display has become a summer tradition. For the first time in 4 years, this year's fireworks show will also allow spectators to drink and enjoy food at the spectator stand. I don't know how many types of fireworks there are in total, but broadly speaking, there are 2. Some can be distinguished from a distance by their shape, while others can only be seen near a bridge over a river. The one called Niagara Falls is probably an example of the latter. We recommend that you buy tickets in advance, especially for those who want to look up at the fireworks from directly below, i.e. for those who want to experience the realism of the event. If you have an advance ticket, you can sit on a spectator seat called a pier on the coastal bank to watch the festival. Thank you very much for listening.